Did you know we track everything now? Our heart rate, the amount of calories we eat, how many steps we took, how many tasks we're going to complete today. We even have calendars to prove it, to track what tasks we do and at what time, how much money we spend, how long we sleep, how long we're on our phones. Yeah, I hate that one too. What shows we watch, what music we listen to, how many likes we have on social media, how many followers we have on social media, how many haters we have on social media. Well, not really. How long we take showers, how long it's going to take for me to get from point A to point B. Welcome to the 21st century, folks, where every single thing can be tracked, quantified, and plugged into an algorithm. Did you even know that our actions can be tracked and analyzed to show how good and bad they are?
Hello, everyone, and welcome to your first day in the afterlife. You were all, simply put, good people. But how do we know that you were good? How are we sure? During your time on Earth, every one of your actions had a positive or a negative value, depending on how much good or bad that action put into the universe. Every sandwich you ate, every time you bought a magazine, every single thing you did had an effect that rippled out over time and ultimately created some amount of good or bad. You know how some people pull into the breakdown lane when there's traffic and they think to themselves, who cares? No one's watching. We were watching. Surprise. Anyway, when your time on Earth has ended, we calculate the total value of your life using our perfectly accurate measuring system. Only the people with the very highest scores, the true cream of the crop, get to come here, to the good place. What happens to everyone else, you ask? Don't worry about it. The point is, you are here because you lived one of the very best lives that could be lived. And you won't be alone. Your true soulmate is here too. That's right, soulmates are real. One of the other people in your neighborhood is your actual soulmate, and you will spend eternity together. So welcome to eternal happiness. Welcome to the good place. Sponsored by otters holding hands while they sleep. You know the way you feel when you see a picture of two otters holding hands? That's how you're going to feel every day.
We say that we don't like math, but we love using numbers. And the good place is actually a really solid example of it. But is this everything there is to humanity? A bunch of numbers and algorithms defining who we are? Or is there more? Stay tuned for our newest series coming this summer as we take a dive into what it means to be human. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you guys can stay updated on our newest series, as well as other content we have in store. So be on the lookout, and we'll see you guys next time.